Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorial. And in this tutorial, first thing I will show you how to insert a page number, how to insert a header, and how to insert a footer. Okay. Header and footer are important mainly when you are working on an important document and you have to save it as a draft, or if you want to specify the document in some kind of, give it a label or something, then you need a footer. But page number is very important, and page number should appear on every document. Without the page number, it's very hard, not very hard, but page number is required in almost all the documents that we create. So that's exactly what I will show in this video. So I'll delete this one, and we start off by generating some random text as usual, and this is my text. I'll just add a few more text to get us through, and that's enough for me. So I'll just Control A, and I'll make it kind of justified. And this is the document I'm working on. Just imagine that. Okay, so now I want to put a page. I have 2 pages and I need to indicate the page. So you go to insert and you have your header and footer section here. So I just go to page number first, and it tells you the position where you want to put the page. Okay, so you want to put the page at the top or at the bottom or on the margins. Okay, but in most cases it will be either at the top or bottom, but bottom is the preferred choice in most cases. So you scroll down and it gives the different formats it's available. But one thing that I like to use is the page X off, because you can see that it tells the person who is accessing the document that the total number of pages and the page number for each page. So that's the one that I recommend to use, but it depends on the preference. There's also this page 1 of 1 or page X of page Y of X. So I click on that, and you will see that the page is normally inserted in the footer. So you can see the footer section here. Now, one important thing is you need to put a line to separate it, because the footer itself, if I close this header and footer, and if I go there, it says it's page 1 of 2, it's here, but it's not in the middle. So I go back and then double click on that, and I make sure I select the footer. I go to home and I position it in the center. Okay, so it stays at the center. That's all I want. Or if I want it right at the side, I can take it by the right line. So it's either it's at the right or it's in the middle, not on the left. Okay, so that you just have to remember that. You can have it on the left, that's okay, but I recommend that it's either in the middle or on the right, because that's where the focus of the eye normally is. Okay, so now I will go, and under the paragraph I will go to this borders, and I'm going to put the border, top border. So I'll click on the top border, so you can see that there's a border at the top. And if I close this header and footer, you will see that my border is added, and that's a nice way to put just a border on top of, so it will make look professional. And then at the same time you can double click and add other information that you want to add. So this, for example, this is just a draft document if I want to, and then I can push it in like that and place it exactly where I want, so that, and I can even put other additional information if I want to put it here. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, and then once that is done, I can now close it, and that's the footer and the page number. If you want to put some a document at the top as a header, then you can go to insert, and then you just select the header, and it gives you some options of type here or some header. If I want to put it, I can put there, and I can type in some header. Okay, so this is like annual sales report 2024 or something like that. That would be my header. So I can, when I close it, you will see that it appears at the top, and also it appears at the top. But I don't really use this header often, but some people do, and if you prepare to use it, use it. But otherwise, just leave that header blank and just put the page numbers, and the footer is very important for you to put especially the page number. So that's how you insert the page number and also the footer. So you go to insert, and header and footer is where you put your footer, anything that appears at the bottom of the document, and header is anything that appears at the top of the document, and page number, if you insert it, it normally goes inside the footer, and you can format it the way you want it. So that's very simple way of inserting a page number into your document.